Suntex Composite Industrial Co., Ltd. is a leading manufacturer and supplier of high-quality composite materials for a variety of industries. With more than 20 years of experience in the industry, Suntex Composite Industrial Co., Ltd. has built a reputation for excellence, innovation, and reliability. We are specialized in making safe heat-resistant textiles. Our factory location is in Jiangsu, China, where have a strong tradition of textile making combined with an experienced workforce. We will continue to improve upon what is available in the realm of heat-resistant textiles, fiberglass, silica, and ceramic fiber, PTFE, acrylic, neoprene PU-PVC, silicone coating products, aluminum laminated, sewing thread, texturized cloth, and so on. Quality is the reason customers buy from Suntex. We sell our products to over 80 countries worldwide. We can continually work hard to make products that meeting and exceeding the industry standards. Our products are widely used in industries such as aerospace, automotive, construction, and marine. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities are equipped with the latest technology, and our team of experts is dedicated to ensuring that every product meets our stringent quality standards. In addition to our wide range of products, we also offer customized solutions tailored to meet the specific needs of our customers. At Suntex Composite Industrial Co., Ltd., we believe in sustainability and are committed to minimizing our impact on the environment. We use eco-friendly materials and processes in our manufacturing operations and are constantly exploring new ways to reduce our carbon footprint. If you are looking for high-quality composite materials from a trusted supplier, look no further than Suntex Composite Industrial Co., Ltd. Contact us today to learn more about our products and services.